Now when we want to use a drop down, okay, instead of either a checkbox or using a radio button, by selecting options in a drop list. So let's give an example. While this option, okay, the checkbox and then the radio button uses input type, the drop list uses select. Okay, it uses a select to give you that effect. So we are saying select, the name should be devices, so the device you use. First option, okay, iPod, so you say iPod, choose iPod. You are sending iPod as a value, okay, of the device you use to the server. When you choose radio, it means you are sending the value radio to the server as the device you use. If you choose computer, that means the computer is the device you listen to music on. Okay, so let's just save this and then refresh our page. Okay, all right, so you see, what device do you listen to music on? Then there's a drop list. When you click on a drop list, you see iPod, radio, and you see computer. I can also use my arrow keys. I'm currently using my keyboard, my arrow keys, to do the selection. I can also click on the drop arrow and I'll choose the device I listen to music on. This also a different way of collecting information from a viewer, okay, or from a visitor. This also allows you to choose only one answer. You can't choose two answers as you can do with checkboxes.